Hey YouTube, welcome. And what we've got here is a boiler that's seen better days. There's your model number. I don't think they make this anymore, thank goodness. And the usual thing that happens on these boilers when you work on them is because they assembled them with a pigtail on the pressure control tree made of steel. When you go to try to use it, of course, it's clogged, so the pressure is no longer under control. And then when you go to try to remove it, it breaks off. You can see the remains in there. This thing is pretty well clogged. I think I've ranted about these sight glass fittings. They're god-awful. And everything is clogged. So we're going to try to recover this boiler as much as we can. Of course, you can see the leak there just destroyed that. So here we go. I'm going to hand this off to my assistant, and we're going to try to use what is called an easy out. You can see, there we go. This is a number 5, and I like the straight shank because it will grab and not spiral into the remains of the pipe left in there. So I'm going to tap her in there using a big enough hammer. How deep do we want to go? Let's try that. And now I'm going to use 2 wrenches, more or less 90 degrees to each other, to allow for even torque. There we are. Thank you. And here's hoping that, now it might slip and you might have to hit it again, or it might just come out. Well, it's it breaks off. If this hardened tool breaks off in there, it's going to be a long day. I think it's coming. Did it slip, or am I just kidding myself? Let me see what we got. Let me see what we got in there. No, it looks like it slipped. So I'm going to clean that off. Clean that little, I'm going to clean this little groove out. And we're going to try this again. Tap, tap, tap. Let's see if we can get this to operate there. It feels like it's slipping, so I'm going to hit it some more. We might be lucky on this one. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I think we got it. Ooh, happy day. Happy day. Let me back it out. There we are. It came out. There we go. So yeah, this is a number 5. This is for 1/4" National Pipe thread, I think is what seems to work best for me. So you have to kind of work it a little bit. You can't go backwards with it. You can't tighten it. It's got to be one way. You got to grip it. So 3 guesses what goes back in here, and the first 2 don't count. Yep, for those of you who are counting at home, brass pigtail. Get rid of these steel pigtails. They're garbage. They cause nothing but trouble. Whenever you see one, be prepared to take them out and put in a brass one. Guys, thank you very much. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.